Yeah.
Kid spot.
Could you mop the other?
When you call me señorita.
So today, in prison, we are here at the local joint serving our time.
Oh my gosh, look, we're kind of matching. Holy heavy. Oh, good. This is like
The white spots.
Careful, it might splash you. We need some music. No, I'm talking about the dirt. Literally the dirt.
Oh, pull back.
Oh, how do I get all the dirt inside? How do I get all that in there?
You don't.
You don't?
No.
Why does it look so easy? Look at that nasty-ish.
It's my ASMR.
Janitor ASMR. I feel like people don't even know who you are. Aiden's our family friend.
That is
He's like more like a cousin.
factual.
Since we were babies.
Toto down my shoes, Euro step my move. I just caught the ring.
The gym
Yeah, my fingers
is done.
Hey, people think I take showers.
I made my thumbs disappear.
Yes. Grab these towels. Laundry room. This is the old library. So the thing is that this school used to be in a lot better shape, but as it's getting older, it just needs a lot more work. And this room was the library, and it got flooded when because my grandparents live in Hawaii in the winter, and this room got flooded in the winter, and it's never been the same. This used to be like the family living room, and there used to be like a couch and books all along the wall, but it's never been the same. We've got this little room, and this outlooks into like the backyard. A whole bunch of land. Grandma and Grandpa's room, classroom. That used to be the principal's office, but I don't know who's sleeping there. I think my mom and David are. This is like a storage room, just a whole bunch of random tools and stuff in here. And then this is where the boys stay. Oh, Toby. Yo, what is on his fur? Bed, air mattress, Roxy on the air mattress. This is where Aiden and Reeve sleep. They have these two couches pushed together. They just worked really hard outside in their little suits.
Hey, Reeve. You want Han told me to come out here.
No, they're going to the school.
Huh?
I hate it here. All I do is make it survive.
Suit up, you're next, buddy. Yeah,
We've got the Wii, Nintendo Switch, and now we're going to the beach. Actually, I'll just do the rest of the tour now because I feel like I'm not gonna get to it. Because I have just grown up here and I feel like I don't really think about it anymore. But it is very cool, and I know you guys will probably want to see. So that's Grandma and Grandpa's room, and this is like the main hallway. Kitchen down there, gym's over there, girls' bathroom, boys' bathroom. All the rooms I just showed you. It's Grandma and Grandpa's room. It's like a big classroom. And then we have this hallway. My Aunt Jess sleeps in that room with Allie, Uncle George. No, I think my mom and David are actually sleeping in this room. Like, here are all of our old art supplies. So like in this classroom we used to have tables set up. And you know, as a kid, how you play like classroom and stuff. Like this was ultimate classroom. Play classroom in. And here it is. I was like always the teacher. So I had like everyone's report card things written out here, I think. But I would like legitimately give them tests and grade them. And we would spend so much time in here. But now it's a bedroom. So out on this side, this is where you like enter. We've got the swings. I forgot what that's called. The tires, and then that little play set. Queen Allie. The freak. This is another boys' bathroom that like no one uses. Yeah, like look at how nasty. Okay, but this would be so cool if it was like renovated.
yeah.
Oh, it smells up here.
Yeah.
It smells good.
Well, let's go, babes. Okay, come on. Then we've got a girls' bathroom, which is really creepy.
No, it's
like this is like some Harry Potter stuff. Okay, why is this door open? But this is a very like messy old classroom that is not in shape for anyone to stay in or be in.
Let's get out here because it's where the girl trapped in the wall is.
Hey guys, really quick. Hey guys, what is up? Just really quick, gotta interrupt this video because I just relaunched my original, I guess, collections. That the first symbols I ever launched were the moon, sun, lightning bolt, light bulb, and the wave. And I'm relaunching all of them today when this video is up. The jewelry should be launched. Right now, I'm wearing the moon. It comes in this little Starlight Village box. Jenny's got the sun on, moon. What do you have? The lightning bolt.
Lightning bolt, you can't even see it. Everything
has the wave on.
So sunburned.
And wait, Danny. And then Danny has the light bulb on. Yes, okay. The link is in the description if you want to shop. Shut up. Stop. Oh. We used to put like little backpacks there and stuff. Yeah, we can go back. You want to go back?
Brave soul.
So basically we put these here so the dogs don't go back here. Yeah, this is our room.
That was the teacher's room.
So yeah, this was where the kindergarten classrooms were, I think. Oh my gosh, A and W.
Creepy. Put it on. Put it on. Put it on. Put it.
Alright, like we used to have music class in here and we had drums and instruments set up. I don't know where they went, but anywho. Then we had this whole room used to be filled with storage stuff. Is that poop, maybe? I don't know.
Yeah.
Hey, be careful, Allie.
There's a raccoon in here.
There was?
I have no idea.
Allie said, I feel like the girls kept in the wall is watching us right now. Don't know what the heck is on the walls.
Oh yeah, that
What the heck is?
Jack pointed that out. It kind of looks like blood, but then when you get up close, it kind of looks like coffee. But
We didn't see this room. There's someone in here.
just chilling. Like
That's gave me the heebie-jeebies. That's a kindergarten bathroom, so it's like itty-bitty. And there's some supplies in there. But yeah, look at the old Mac. This is the old Mac symbol or logo. It's all discolored.
I have a question. Could the kids just like come around and play over here?
Yep, that was the playground. And that's basically it. We just don't go on this side of the school because it's creepy.
Yeah. Blood, blood. I see blood.
That's not blood, sis. That scared me. And then you can go out here, but wait.
That's kind of sketchy.
Wait, let me try to get in.
All right.
I want to go out.
Wait, no, stay. There. Alright, be careful. Hey, why is Reeve going?
Because I can.
We've jumped off here like 5 years in a row.
Yeah. Oh, there they go. Hey, moving on that road. Hey, sunny day. Hey.
Andrew, Jack, go a little bit deeper. Look at Reeve.
What?
Oh, not like, okay, that was risky.
Jack, go deeper.
Sunny day. Hey. Even if the sun goes down on you, you gotta keep that shine on top, yeah. On top. On top, yeah. On top, yeah.
Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. I'm gonna pop these fireworks.
It's 4th of July. I'm ready to pop these firecrackers. Don't pop them on me. What the police say?
I know the police right there.
I'm gonna pop these fire. Oh my god. Alright guys, we are at, what's the H2O like island called? Look at how pretty that is. Yeah, what is that? Y'all. Yeah, we're at Mako Island. What is up? I'm freaking scared. What is up? I am freaking scared. My hammock. That's Ella's hammock. Ugh. Whoa, that looks. Now that looks painful. Oh shoot. Wow.
You doubted me. And guess who's views is blocked now?
No, my view isn't blocked. The cops are here.
That's the sound of the police. That's the sound.
That was the most interesting thing that happened all night.
It smells like olives.
Kind of does.
Now it smells like HannahMeloche.
Oh wait, what?
But you know, fun times are.
Oh my gosh!
What?
That kid's sitting on the outside.
No, they're not. Fireworks are canceled.
No, they're not!
Why are you turning?
Why are you turning into the grass?
What? You're going in the grass, sis.
Look at your turn. What are you turning into the grass for?
So I can turn that way.
Well, you can go straight.
Okay, just turn into the grass. It's hard. It's hard.
Just turn into the grass. It's whatever.
Okay.
Look behind you. Are you looking behind you? What's behind you?
Yeah, there's nothing.
Just drive away, Jack. Well, that was very quick stop. Okay, well, you need to.
I know we're stopping everyone.
It's July 5th. The fireworks got rained out last night, and
That's it.
we're going on a hike for like an hour and a half.
In the back. You're literally in the back. So
4 text messages and 3 missed calls. You still.
Do I go? Do we know? You need to give him a bath correction.
Don't know what that is.
shut up.
The link is in the description, and also shut up. Because I don't want you guys to hurt yourself.
I'm not gonna hurt myself.
Happy 4th!
Okay, fair.